One of the important things that we're doing while schools are out of session due to the coronavirus situation is we're going into our schools and our administrative offices and providing a deep clean sanitation process for those buildings. We're contracting with approved vendors who are going in, completely spraying down the facilities with a CDC approved sanitation agent.
We have quite a few employees. Of course, they have the opportunity to stay home, but instead, while work is going on, we are out here disinfecting the schools. We are practicing social distancing. We are definitely grateful for all the employees that are helping us get this project completed. It is important to disinfect the schools so where it's a cleaner environment and all the kids will have a safe return.
By doing that, we're more confident as our students, our employees, and our families ultimately re-enter our buildings that it's a safe place for them to learn and do their jobs each day in Jefferson Parish Public Schools.